Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage divorce proceedings with DivorceNet, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documentation related to your marriage and finances. This includes marriage certificates, financial statements, tax returns, and any prenuptial agreements. Next, assess your goals for the divorce process. Determine what you want in terms of asset division, custody arrangements, and support. Once you have clarity on your goals, visit the DivorceNet website. Create an account to access various resources and tools designed for individuals navigating divorce. Utilize the online calculator tools to understand potential child support and alimony amounts. Familiarize yourself with state-specific divorce laws provided on the site. Next, consider whether you will pursue mediation or traditional court proceedings. If choosing mediation, download the mediation agreement template from DivorceNet and fill it out. Schedule a consultation with a mediator to discuss the terms and ensure both parties are prepared. If opting for court proceedings, use the website to find a qualified divorce attorney in your area. Prepare a list of questions to ask during the consultation with the attorney. Once you've selected an attorney, provide them with all documentation collected earlier. Your attorney will guide you on the next steps and help you file the necessary paperwork. Stay organized by keeping all correspondence and documents in a dedicated folder. Regularly communicate with your attorney to stay informed about your case status. Be prepared for negotiations and remain flexible during discussions with your spouse. If children are involved, prioritize their well-being and maintain open communication. After reaching an agreement, carefully review the divorce settlement documents. Make sure everything you discussed is included and clearly articulated. Once satisfied, sign the necessary documents and submit them to the court. Attend all required court hearings and be punctual. Follow any court orders regarding child custody, support, or asset division as soon as your divorce is finalized. Consider the emotional aspects of divorce and seek support from friends, family, or professional counselors. Keep in mind that the process might take time, and patience is crucial. Stay focused on your goals and take proactive steps to ensure a smooth transition into your new life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.